Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the Euro charts for European Sentiment Index. If you go over to my YouTube channels, I showed with the US Fed stuff, you can easily get some information to see where this ESI comes from.
Hi everybody, Brian here from
So if I do a search for, I don't know, Euro. Yeah, so you got Euro sentiment indicators. So quite a few examples to go through to show that, the history of it. Anyways, so when you find this is for the date of August 8th, 2018. Continue reading, and we should get access to it here. So here's our file, zip file, so we can download it right here. And here's our latest files. So basically how this works is, let me sort it by alphabet, or sorry, let's do kind. So we have PNG files. So basically what we have here are some files that include the different regions. You can see we have UK here, we have Sweden, Slovenia, Romania, Poland, France, so on and so forth. So how this works is UK will not be part of this as the Brexit happens as of next year in 2019. So I'll just focus for now on France and Germany. They're the two biggest economies in the Eurozone. So we have here divided up by sector, by building, construction, overall ESI indicator, which is as I said, the economic sentiment indicator, industrial, retail, and services. So this is put out by Eurostats, and again, you can look up on my YouTube channel under the search I put in Euro. Should be able to get a history of how that works. So I'm just going to look at the France and Germany. So let's check it out. So we have France here, building, which is on fire by the looks of it, and it goes all the way back to 2010 when they started doing this. Let's check out construction. It has come down since mid-2017, I'm going to estimate. This is the overall ESI of France, so it's come down slightly. Industrial kind of peaked from 2011. It's come off a little bit. Retail, it's been a little choppy, but coming back. And we have also services as well. So let me get rid of that. So we have services as well, slowly building up, coming off a little bit. Now when we look at Germany as well, we have Germany building. That seems to be on fire, came back. It's coming back basically. Construction, not quite at peak from 2011 again, but it's on the rise. Here's the overall ESI on the rise. Industrial, yeah, it's on the rise again. Retail, been a little choppy, but coming back. And services as well. So you can see it's declining a little bit, but coming back. But what can you find out about this? Well, in certain areas, you can pinpoint where the strengths are by what sectors. So overall, you can look at the Eurozone overall. So building's doing really well, as well as construction's past its peak historically. The ESI is definitely very strong. Industrial peaking overall. And if you go through individual countries, you can definitely find out where the strength is in what part, and that helps you on the individual stock exchanges of each country. So let's check out Italy, let's say. Has steadily come up. Building, so building's doing overall pretty good. Consumer starting to fall back. ESI overall, it's in a peak. Industrial, again in a peak historically, and retail near peak again from 2010 roughly. Services as well. So as I said, you can go back to all of the different countries that you want. Hopefully this will help you out, and when you see these postings on the service, hopefully this will help you out. Talk to you later.